If you're anything like me, you got unused audio equipment laying around. And you say yes to gigs at really small places. So let's take that unused audio equipment, shove it into a rack unit like this one, take it to the barbecue joint we're about to work at, and see how it goes. Stick around for the end of the video where I break down what I did and did not like about this rig.
This isn't even gonna go inside. Much bigger than Goldie's. The atmosphere in here, it's like smoky. All I'm doing is looking for an outlet. That's kind of it. I say we just take over this. This will be our booth. All right. I think they're just making like announcements and stuff, right? Opening remarks. Karl Marx. Groucho Marx. I feel like we should definitely test that. It is A-okay. I feel a little silly doing this, but Goldie's was even smaller. And we have the backup router, not using the other one today. Just gonna sit back here and plug it in. Do they need us to play music?
I asked.
Yeah?
And she never got me back on that.
Okay.
But well, you know.
Whatever.
I have a house system.
I am not really worried about anything about this, so. Is this gonna be the shortest video we've ever made? It might be smarter to put it here, just so they can get behind it. Oh yeah, we gotta put this. I don't even need the ramp for this thing. Barely even done anything and I'm sweating. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, sure.
Go somewhere. And this is the spare single wireless thing that we bought.
Yeah. For the Wu-Tang Clan wedding.
Oh, I forgot we had that.
Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. Check, check, hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2, hey, hey. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, yes, yes. All right, but this is how they'll actually talk, so. Aux in. There's a little bit of RF interference here at the slow bone. I mean, let's just, we could try a scan. What's it say? All right, I didn't even have to do anything. There we go, that works fine. Okay, now it's fixed. So today we are in a barbecue restaurant, and there's quite the atmosphere in here. It's very smoky. We've only set up one speaker. It took us 30 minutes, and now we're just sitting, waiting for somebody to come and tell us that our work is good or our work is bad and we need to redo it. But that is where we are. They're getting ready for the Bitcoin people. Is it Bitcoin?
No, it's blockchain.
Blockchain. What's the difference? Yeah, you talking?
I'm Colin.
Colin, I'm Connor. It's on. Yeah.
Okay.
You gonna go out there?
Yeah, we're gonna go out.
Go out there.
All right, well, welcome, y'all. I think at this point, I do feel like the official barbecue concierge of Winston and Strawn, but don't ask me for any legal advice, please. But yeah,
If I left that speech in the edit, that was all that happened with with the microphone. So, you know, they covered my half-day rate and the price for travel and the price for renting this gear, so I have no problem with that. trying my best not to have to take a shower when we get home. Okay. Ha!
All right. Obviously, you watched the video, so you know the rig worked fine. But the things that I thought would be annoying whenever I was building it ended up being annoying. The first thing being, this thing's way too big. This is a deep version and I need a shallow version. It takes a lot to manhandle this thing all over the place, and it could be improved by just having a shallow version of it. So that's one thing. The next thing is that the voltage regulator is just 100% unnecessary. It makes it weigh way too much. I think it's 15 pounds, and a power conditioner is 5 pounds, and cost about 7 times less. But like I said, these were things that I had lying around. Old friend gave me this one, so I just used it. But other than that, it worked really well. The one channel of wireless worked just fine. I wouldn't really want to have to run two on this kind of a rig, and I'll always take an X32 over something else. You never know what people are gonna ask you for, so just to be able to have options if you ask to do something kind of weird, then it's nice to have an X32.